Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can transfer Toncoin from TonKeeper to OKX wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're going to do is, first thing, you're going to open up your TonKeeper app over here, and then you're going to go ahead and get signed in. Right afterwards, you're going to be able to find this kind of interface. What you're going to do is, over here you're going to tap on this option of send. Then you will have to now enter address or name, and you have to choose a tone, which is chosen over here as well. You can say Toncoin. So what you're going to do now, in the address or name section, you're going to go back and you're going to open up your OKX wallet app. Now you're going to go to the tone section. You're going to go ahead, tap on the tone over here. You're going to go to switch to the wallet. So from this section, you're going to go to the wallet. I'm going to simply go ahead, copy the address of your wallet. Once you have copied the address, you're going to go ahead, go over here, simply go ahead, paste the address right over here, add in the amount of tone that you want to transfer, add in the comment if you would like, tap on the continue, and you're good to go. You will be able to transfer Toncoin from TonKeeper to OKX wallet likewise. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.